Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Singles Saturday. I think that's what it's called, Singles Saturday. And today I'm going to play in my singles again. But last week I showed you my singles collection. And I thought I'd showed you everything, but I found a few more goodies. What I found was another couple of like liquid shimmery eyeshadows and 4 eyeshadow sticks, and I had them set in a separate spot, but I've pulled them out for you. Let's start with the sticks. I have, it looks like a smaller size. I probably got these in subscription boxes, but I got a Laura Mercier in rose gold. That's what it looks like. I think that's, let me get behind it. There we go. I don't know how well that's showing up. So I've got that one. I've got Laura Mercier in, oh, I got a second rose gold. So I've got 2 of those. I've got a full-size Laura Mercier in copper. That's pretty. Let's see if it focus, yeah. Oh, copper's pretty. There we go. Get behind here. And another Laura Mercier. Don't tell me it's rose gold. Oh no, this is not Laura Mercier. This is a Tati. Lock L-O-C Tati. I don't know how old this is. It's on point. It says it's one and done shadow stick. It's a pencil. It's actually a pencil. Oh, that's a pretty shade. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a taupey kind of shade. And then I have 2 shimmery ones. I have Cover FX, and this is in, hang on, Amethyst. This is called Amethyst. Let's see how good it is. Yeah. Still working pretty good. Let me hide my face. There it is. Right there. And then the last one is a Ciate. Eye Luster. Cream eyeshadow. I don't see a name on this. If it had a name on the bottom, it's gone, so I'm sorry. There is no name on this. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know why I put them where I did, but look at that. That's it right there. So that's it. That's 6 more. 6 more I have that I didn't show you last week. So now, let's get started with today's eye look. I'm going to start by using my Huda Nude Medium palette. Just playing this a little bit to get my base, and then with my singles, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet. I really don't plan these out. Maybe I should. But I might use some of these pencils I just found, or these sticks. I might use this because this was really pretty. Alright, no plans today, not going anywhere, so I can just play in the makeup and not worry about what I look like out in public. Okay, I am going to start. There is really, I'm going to have to dig in my singles for what I call my base shade. So I'm going to grab in my singles and grab my Creme Brulee. I think this is Makeup Geek. And I'm going to set my primer. I already have my primer on. Today I'm using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre. There. That's all I wanted to do with that. Same brush. Not going to clean it out. I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, this matte. I'll bring my mirror a little closer to me. And I'm going to put this in the transition area, like so. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Let me grab a brush. I'm going to deepen my crease. I'm going to use from this palette again. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to kind of start in the middle and blend my way out to the edges. I like to focus my color in the middle. I need to get that a little higher today. There we go. And just blend as I go. Last week, the week before last, I didn't feel like I really blended my eyeshadows that well. So I'm gonna make sure I blend them today. I think that looks pretty good. On my lid, I'm going to go, I think I'm gonna go with this purple I have. I can pick it. I keep sticking my nails in them. JD Glow and Pandora. See where I just stuck my nail in it again? Oh my goodness. Alright. Get a brush. And see if I can get, yeah, just on my outer V with this. And with the same brush, I'm going to just kind of sweep it under my lower lash line, about halfway. Like so. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see, I'm going to take this pencil I found, this Lock Art Tati, and I'm going to do the inner corner of my lid and highlight the inner corner here, all with the same color, like so. Looks very nice. I'm going to take the Ciate and I'm going to put it in. Whoa, wow, that is something else, let me tell you. I'm going to have to, let's see if I can, yeah, that one little bit will do both eyes. Do you see that? Ooh, that is some shimmer. And I like it. I like it. I'm going to take this Laura Mercier Rose Gold and I'm going to do a brow bone highlight with it. Kind of blend it with my finger. That looks good. I'm going to go and put liner and mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, I am done. I put some mascara on my lashes. My mascara I'm using right now is Better Than Sex in black. The eyeliner is on my waterline. It's by Pixie. It's called Opal Overcoat. And then I went ahead and put a liquid lipstick on my lips. It's by Give and it's All My Love. And that is it. That is my look for today. I like how it turned out. I really like that shimmer from Ciate. I am shocked. Didn't realize I had that in my arsenal. I need to pull it out more. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see y'all next time.